In this video, I am covering question 3 from class 10th Maths NCERT exercise 3.1 chapter linear equation. And I have also covered 2 quiz questions in this video. Quiz competition. In the condition of lockdown, students are sitting idle. They should be getting rested. So I have decided to give them some quiz problems also along with my solution videos so that they get some work to utilize their time in a better way. Only some standard schools are providing some online education and homework to their students. Therefore, I have decided to solve full NCERT book of class 10 maths so that unengaged students can learn maths through my videos and they can get some extra questions for their practice. I hope you all would like my efforts. Well, these are questions for class 10th students for quiz competition. First, find out height of a tower if it is making an angle of 30 degree with the earth from a distance of 220 under root 3 meter. Second, generate identity perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Send your response and solution on my WhatsApp number 94588112222 and win prizes. This is exercise 3.1 and the question 3 is the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Solution of the first condition, that is cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg of grapes is 160. Let cost of 1 kg of apples be x and cost of 1 kg of grapes be y. Therefore, 2x plus 1y is equal to 160. Therefore, 2x is equal to 160 minus y. Therefore, x is equal to 160 minus y divided by 2. Let y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to within brackets 160 minus 0 upon 2, that is equal to 160 upon 2 is equal to 80. Let y is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 160 minus 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 140 upon 2 is equal to 70. Let y is equal to 40. Therefore, x is equal to 160 minus 40 upon 2, that is equal to 120 upon 2 is equal to 60. When we arrange these values in a form of table, we get x is equal to 80 for y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 70 for y is equal to 20 and x is equal to 60 for y is equal to 40. Now draw 2 lines, one horizontal to the plane that is x-axis and one vertical to the plane that is y-axis, and mark the scale on both axes. On x-axis 0, 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 and 140. And on y-axis mark 20, 40, 60, 80. Now plot the 3 points on the graph, that is 60, 40, 70, 20 and 80, 0. This is the first set of values on the table, that is 80, 0, which is shown by a red arrow. This is the second set of value 70, 20. That means 70 on x-axis and 20 on y-axis. This is the third set of value 60, 40. That means 60 on x-axis and 40 on y-axis. Now join all the 3 points by a straight line. This line represents 2x is equal to 160 minus y. Now, solution of the first condition, that is cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg of grapes, is rupees 300. 1 kg apples and cost of 1 kg of grapes by. Therefore, 4x plus 2y is equal to 3. Therefore, 4x is equal to 300 minus 2y. Therefore, x is equal to 300 minus 2y divided by 4. Let y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to, within brackets, 300 minus 2 into 0 divided by 4. That is equal to 300 upon 4 is equal to 75. Let y is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 300 minus 2 into 20 divided by 4. That is equal to 300 minus 40 upon 4. That is equal to 260 upon 4. That is 65. Let y is equal to 40. Therefore, x is equal to, within brackets, 300 minus 2 into 40 divided by 4. That is equal to 300 minus 80 divided by 4. This is equal to 220 upon 4 is equal to 55. When we arrange these three sets of values in a table, we find x is equal to 75 for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 65 for y is equal to 20, x is equal to 55 for y is equal to 40. Now mark the three set of values on the graph which are shown by red color. The value shown by the arrow is the first set of value, that is 75, 0. This is the second set of value, 65, 20. This is the third set of value, 65, 20. Now join all the 3 points by a straight line. This line can be represented by 4x minus 300 minus 2y. From the two tables, it is obvious that there is no common point or point of intersection of the lines. But for all values of y, there is difference of 5 in the values of x. Therefore, there is no solution of the equation. It is also visual from the graph, as there is no point of intersection of two lines graphically, but these are parallel lines, hence there is no solution of the given problem. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you like the video, please click the like button and please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the information about our coming videos.